Da, 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 da.
Big girls don't cry.
The smell of your skin lingers on me now.
The smell of your skin lingers on me now. You are probably on your flight back to your hometown. I need some shelter of my own protection, baby. To be with myself and center, clarity, peace, serenity.
Be with myself and center, clarity, peace, serenity. I hope you know,
I hope you know that this has nothing to do with you. It's personal, myself and I. We got some straightened out to do. And I'm gonna miss you like a child missed their Bentley. But I got to get a move on with my life. It's time to be a big girl now. And big girls don't cry. Don't cry, don't cry, don't cry.
and big girls don't cry. Don't cry, don't cry, don't cry. The path that I'm walking, I must go alone.
El camino lo tengo que hacer sola. Yo tengo que ir paso a paso como los bebés hasta que sea completamente mayor. Los cuentos de hadas no siempre acaban bien y yo preveo un oscuro futuro si me quedo.
And I forsake the dark ahead if I stay.
Falta sentituko dut ume batek bere manta bezala, baina nire bizitzarekin jarraitu behar dut. Ordua da neska heldua izateko. Neska helduek ez dute negar egiten. Ez dute negar egiten. Ez dute negar egiten. Ez dute negar egiten.
Pequeño compañero de clase en el patio. Jugaremos al tute y al uno. Seré tu mejor amigo y tú serás mi elegido en San Valentín. Si tú puedes, coger mi mano si tú quieres, porque yo quiero coger la tuya también. Seremos compañeros de juego y amantes, y compartiremos nuestros muchos secretos.
But it's time for me to go home. It's getting late and dark outside. I need to be with myself and center, clarity, peace, serenity.
Es hora de volver a casa, pero se está haciendo tarde y está oscuro fuera. Necesito estar conmigo. Claridad, paz y serenidad.
Da, 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 da. The smell of your skin lingers on me now. You're probably on your flight back to your hometown. I need some shelter of my own protection, baby. Be with myself and center, levity, peace, serenity.